What is up, guys? We are back here with a custom build for pie cuts, and this is what I came up with. I'm getting ready to hopefully buy a building so I can start a shop and start producing custom parts that are used for, I don't know, several different things, whether it's automation, control systems, such as my last video. It took 11 months to get the analog input back. So as far as 4 to 20 milliamps and 0 to 10 volt, well, you know, this is why there's huge gaps in my videos. So there's not a lot I can do about that, given the state of the economy right now. But as I'm moving out, I find a whole bunch of stainless just sitting around, and decided that, well, I'm going to do something with it, because a lot of the stuff I got right now is going to end up either going in the trash, recycled, sold, wherever it needs to go to actually get rid of it. But this is what I decided to make. So this side is a 15-degree bandsaw guide. This is a 10, and this is a 5-degree. And what this allows me to do is I can put the pipe in here and I back it up right up against this. And this is 1.5 inch, 304 stainless. And I believe it's probably a 45 or 55 wall, maybe a 65 thousandths. But you back this up to it, bring it out here, touch off on the edge. This one's already cut at 15. You just back up the center to it and you make your slice. And then you roll it out, twist it 180 degrees, make your slice again, and you keep doing that. You keep alternating back and forth. And what you can do is with these tubes, if it's seamless or it's actually welded rolled, then what you can do is you just match up that seam right there, either right there or the actual weld from the machine. And it's real simple, works nice. I actually got quite a bit done with it the other day, where this is not my specialty, which is welding, but ended up making this because it's got to go onto a pump, and what I need it to be is pretty damn strong, because the pump is going to be based on vacuum pressure with that automation system that we're going to be doing a lot of experiments with, and you'll see it in the future as it gets built. But the pump basically cleans off cavitation. The pump will have its own volumizer in between the part that we're cleaning, and that'll keep the pump primed. At the same time, at the other side of that will be an engine part, and as it pulls the carbon out of that, it'll create low pressure effects behind it, or in front of the flow path, and essentially use the carbon as, you know, sacrificial material. So it'll eat all the carbon off of it without chewing up the pump. So I need something that can maintain pressure, and this is, well, this is what I came up with. So I'm going to try this out. If it doesn't work, that's okay. I can put some variability in the VFD and all the other parts as well. I mean, I don't think it turned out too bad. It was really hard to weld this. I've never done that before, but I like it. But hopefully something like this is something you can use in your shop, make something cool out of it. And also taught me back purging means everything. One of the things you're going to want to look at, though, when you use this thing is when you got the portable bandsaw going through here, put a sleeve on 2 of these so it rolls. You'll notice that it's pretty beat up on that one part. Well, that's a lot better than the huge nick that's in the side of here when the bandsaw decides just going to walk down this sideways. So it also tightens up the blade groove a little bit too, and it gives you something to back up to. But hopefully this really quick build and video is good enough for right now. As I'm posting this, I have 3 other videos done. So, but I'm going to release them after editing, and hopefully we can get some pretty interesting stuff going here, other than, you know, just one video every 3 months. It has been difficult lately with a job change, getting out of school, getting associated with that job, finding time off while trying to run this business on the side. So yeah, this is a cheap way to use up your scrap metal and works pretty good. Thanks for watching.